Some users have reported that they encountered this voice typing error when using the voice typing feature. If you also happen to have the same problem, you can try to watch this video tutorial to know how to fix this. Now first, run the recording audio troubleshooters. To do that, open Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, select Run in the recording audio troubleshooter, and apply any fixes it suggests. Next up, check for Windows 11 updates. To do so, open Settings, click Windows Update, press Check for Updates, then click the Download and Install options for any available Windows 11 updates. Next up, check Settings for your microphone. To check it, open Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Microphone, toggle the microphone access if it is disabled, and then turn on the Let Apps Access Your Microphone setting. Now you have to make sure that the microphone access options for all your applications you need to utilize the mic with are turned on. It is also recommended to try setting up the mic again from Settings. To do that, select Speech on the Time and Language tab on Settings. Click the Get Started option for the setting up microphone speech recognition and go through the setup instructions. And those are the possible fixes of your voice typing error code in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.